To figure out sales tax on an item, you'll need to know your local sales tax rate. You can easily find this information by searching online for the sales tax rate in your city and state. Once you know the tax rate in your area, convert the sales tax rate from a percentage to a decimal by moving the decimal point over 2 places to the left. Then multiply the resulting number by the list price of an item to figure out the sales tax on that item. So, let's say you're buying something that costs $27.95 with a local tax rate of 8%. You'd multiply 27.95 by 0.08, giving you a sales tax amount of $2.24. Add that amount to the price of the item to find your total cost with tax. In this case, the total would be $30.19. But what if you already know the total cost of an item after taxes and you want to figure out the tax rate based on that? To do this, subtract the list price of the item from the total after taxes. This will give you the amount of sales tax you paid. Then divide the tax amount by the list price. Move the decimal point in the resulting number 2 spaces to the right to get the tax rate as a percentage. For instance, if the list price is $72.50 and you paid $75.05, then you paid $2.55 in taxes. 2.55 divided by 72.50 is 0.035, which means the tax rate is 3.5%.